In this video, I'll show you how to replace the maintenance box of your Epson WorkForce Pro WF-4820, 4830, and also many other Epson WorkForce printer. They're all working about the same way. So when do you need to replace this maintenance box, by the way? Well, it's very easy. You can check here. This is the main menu of the printer. Press the home button if you're not seeing this screen. And on the top, over there, the first icon, click on it. You should see your ink levels, but the last one over here is the maintenance box. Once there's nothing left in this maintenance box, well, you need to replace it. So you can check here, but usually the printer will warn you when it's time to replace it anyway with a message on the screen. To replace it, it's very easy. You don't have to disconnect the printer. You just have to turn it around because it's on the back. So this is the back of the printer, and you should notice these are the connections, the USB connections, and on the other side, this is where the maintenance box is located. To remove the panel here, stick your finger in this gap, pull the latch down, and pull the whole door out, like that. Then take your fingers, there's another gap here, stick them there, and pull this whole drawer. This is the maintenance box. This is how it looks. So take it away. Take your new one, make sure that you insert it the right way. Over here you see on the right side you should have a chip, a small chip. This is how you know that it's in the right position. And when you insert it, you should see Epson written facing up. Okay, so once you're done, simply put it back, push it all the way in, put the cover back. Good. Make sure it clicks in place and you'll be good to go. This is it. This is how you replace the maintenance box on your Epson WorkForce printer. If this was helpful, please leave a like. If you want to check for any supplies for your Epson printer, check my Amazon affiliate links down below. It's also supporting my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.